Hi, I'm Alim, General Manager at Octagon Studio. There are lots of things for AR being used today. For example, in the entertainment sector, things like Snapchat or even our own apps in Octagon, like the 40 Plus series, we use it for entertainment and education purposes. I think there are lots of possibilities in the near future because of how the current AR technology developed and how it's being very accessible to lots of people, even for the one that's just really new to AR technology. Narwhal, first, it looks cool, it's mysterious, it has stars, it's a unicorn of the sea. Even if we see Narwhal as a company, it's a great symbol.